Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and I'm a postgraduate. I have done my bachelor's and master's in applied psychology. In this video, I will discuss a psychology topic, that is understanding mind and behavior. Second, understanding mind and behavior. As we have discussed earlier, behavior means engaging in any activity or responding or reacting to any environment or situation. Second, mind. Mind is not a physical organ, but in mind there occurs various and all mental processes. There is a difference between mind and brain. There is a relationship between mind and behavior. For example, if we think or remember any positive or happy memory, like a happy place or any happy moment in the life, this lead to positive emotions and happiness and happy feeling. Our body becomes very energetic because of these positive happy emotions and feelings which are occurring because of the memory or remembering of any happy movement in life. In this example, thinking of any positive moment or remembering the positive moment is the process of the mind, and behaving and becoming energetic because of that memory is behavior. This relationship between mind and behavior is shown in various studies. For example, Ornish, a researcher, has done a number of studies with his patients. In these studies, the patients with blocked arteries were made to visualize or think that blood was flowing through their blocked arteries. After practicing this visualization or imagination over a period of time, it was observed that the patient actually showed the decrease in their blockages, and the patients were experiencing relief. In this, mental imagery was used. Mental imagery means images which are generated by the person in their mind. This mental imagery is used to treat various kinds of phobias. There is a new emerging discipline called psycho-neuro-immunology, which emphasizes on the role of mind in strengthening the human immune system. Thank you. For any queries, you can mail me on this email ID. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.